So these are the two beds which we are having in terms of live beds. One is brinjal, the other one is sweet corn, and in between the sweet corn we have good amount of pumpkins which is going on. You can see a few pumpkins on the brinjal vine as well there, and we can see in between these we have a lot of brinjals here. So that's a good support system for pumpkin and everything. So let's harvest one sweet corn and see how that is. So these are some really good kernels of sweet corn, really good growth. I'm pretty happy with this. So this is really nice.